Okay. As we said that we have three forms to write or to decompose x of t in Fourier series. Form number 2, it is x of t equal to a naught plus summation of alpha k cosine k omega naught t plus beta k sine k omega naught t. K from 1 to infinity. This is general form. And here, as we said, that a naught equal to 1 over t integration from 0 to t of x of t dt. The average value of x of t and alpha k, that's equal to 2 over t integration from 0 to t x of t cosine k omega naught t dt, and beta k equal to 2 over t from 0 to t x of t sine k omega naught t dt. Okay, which means that in general, for any x of t, you need to find a naught and alpha, beta, and omega naught. Okay, there is some properties. It's important for us to get x of t in shortcut method. For example, one of the property f x of minus t equal to x of t, which means that if the signal is even, okay, the signal even, so even, it means that we have something like this. So then, instead of taking from one full period, minus t over 2 to t over 2, one full period, then I can take only half of the period and multiply it by 2. وهذه بيختصر لي بدل ما أخذ from here to here, just take from 0 to t over 2 and multiply it by 2. So then I can write a naught will be equal to 2 over t integration from 0 to t over 2 x of t dt. Okay, what's about alpha? Okay, as we said that x of t is even, cosine also even. So even multiplied by even, it will be even. Okay, so then again, we have even function here, x of t multiplied by cosine. And similarly, instead of taking from 0 to t, then take from 0 to t over 2 and multiply it by 2. So then alpha will be equal to 4 over t integration from 0 to t over 2 x of t cosine k omega naught t dt. Okay, what's about beta k? Okay, if it is, and here we have even and sine is odd, so even multiplied by odd becomes odd function. Odd, it means that something like this. Okay, so let me say that this is minus t over 2, and here it is t over 2. Okay, if you notice here that this area is exactly equal to this area, but this is with a positive and this is with a negative, so total will be equal to 0. So then directly, if it is even, then I can write beta k equal to 0. So you don't need to calculate it. So which means that by taking this property into consideration, then you are going to reduce the calculation into half. تقريبا أقل بعد من 50%. Okay. What's about odd signal? X minus t equal to minus x of t. So then signal, we call it, is odd signal. So then A naught, if it is odd, then we have this. So which means that A naught directly equal to 0 without any calculation. Alpha k, okay, this is odd and this is even. Odd multiplied by even, it is equal to odd. So odd, we say that directly it is equal to 0. So then this is equal to 0. So beta is equal to, this is odd and this is odd. Odd multiplied by odd, which becomes even. So then we have this. So then beta is equal to, again, since we have something similar, then take from 0 to t over 2 and multiply it by 4. So it will be equal to 4 over t integration from 0 to t over 2 x of t sine k omega naught t dt. Okay, by this way, for sure that here you are reducing the calculation by more than 50%. هذه shortcuts. So خلاصة, if you have odd or even, it's better to use form number 2. So even though if the question is use form number 1, so you can use form number 2. Okay, find the answer, then change it to form number 1 or change it to form number 3. Okay, so we take example. So same example, let we take square wave. Okay, this is A, here minus A, and this is t over 2 minus, t over 2 plus, and this is t. Okay, directly it is clear here that this signal x of t is odd signal. So since it is odd, then without any calculation, can write A naught equal to 0 and alpha k equal to 0. So just we need to calculate beta k. Okay, so beta k equal to 4 over t integration from 0 to t over 2 of x of t here from 0 to t over 2 is equal to A multiplied by sine k omega naught t dt. Okay, صارت calculus خلاص. Okay, which is equal to, take 4 outside, A outside, sorry, it's constant, so multiplied by t. Integration of sine is cosine, k omega naught t, divided by 1 over omega naught, k omega naught. And also it's multiplied by minus, so instead of minus, we change limit, so this is 0 t over 2. So for A, k and omega naught multiplied by t, it is 2 pi. Okay, at 0, it is equal to 1 minus cosine k at t over 2, again, it is equal to 2 pi divided by 2, so it is pi. So from here, when k is even, which means that we have 2, 4, 6, so then cosine of 2 pi is equal to 1, so 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So always here, cosine of k pi for k belongs to even, it becomes 0, it becomes 1, so 1 minus 1 is becomes 0, so then this beta k will be equal to 0. And if k belongs to odd, then cosine, for example, 1 pi is equal to -1, so 1 minus -1 becomes 2. Similarly, if it is a 3, it becomes -1. So then this is equal to 2. This 2 cancel with this 2, so left with 4a divided by k pi. Okay, then you can write x of t, which is equal to, go from here, x of t equal to a naught 0, alpha again 0, beta multiplied by sine, summation of. So this is summation k from 1 to infinity of beta. It is equal to 4a divided by pi constant, 4a divided by pi. And here we have 1 over k sine k omega naught t, where omega naught equal to 2 pi divided by t. And this is for k belongs to odd. And this is exactly same result that same as previous way of solving for square wave. Okay, لكن shortcut وايد أسرع، خطوات بسيطة and you will get same answer. Any question? No? Okay. Okay, another property. Suppose we have a square wave, but it is shifted. Let's say square, same period. So this is my x of t now. Or let me say that this is y of t. Here a minus a, and it's shifted to t. Okay, from here to here, it is one full period. Okay, this is it's clear that we cannot say that this is odd nor even, because the definition of odd and even, if x of minus t equal to x of t, okay, for all t, then we can say that this is even. If x of minus t equal to minus x of t for all t, then we can say that it is odd. هذه لا even ولا odd. But how to solve it in shortcut method? Okay, in shortcut method, we know what is the solution for this one. This is x of t. Okay, then find the relation between y of t and x of t. So what is y of t? It is just
x of
x
t
of
plus 1
t. خلنا نغير هذا الاسم إلى for example a. Okay, so it is shifted with a. So then it is plus a, which means that just we have x of t, we shifted a little bit to the left. فصار x of t plus a. طيب. So then for this one, it is very easy to find Fourier series by just 2-3 steps. You can find x of t. So then instead of solving this one, okay, for alpha, for a naught, alpha, beta, no, don't do this. You don't need to do it like this. So just go here and find the relation between the two. Solve for x of t. Okay, then say that y of t is just equal to x of t plus a. So wherever you have t here, just add a to it. So then it is equal to 4a divided by pi, summation of k from 1 to infinity, k belongs to odd, 1 over k sine of k omega naught t plus a. خلاص. وهذه حلي المشكلة الكبيرة بدل ما أعقدها يعني otherwise you need to use general formula here. أي سؤال, any question? طيب. Okay, form number 1. We have k from minus infinity to plus infinity, ak e to the power of plus j k omega naught t. Okay, where ak equal to 1 over t integration from 0 to t x of t e to the power of minus j k omega naught t dt. Okay, لاحظ هنا. If this is my x of t, then what is x prime of t? Derivative of this one. And derivative with respect to t. So then it is equal to summation, again, k from minus infinity to plus infinity. And here we have ak constant with respect to t. So then here we have e to the power of j k omega naught t multiplied by j k omega naught. This is the derivative, which means that I can write it as the summation of k from minus infinity to plus infinity of ak, just name this one anything, tilde, for example, e to the power of j k omega naught t, where a tilde is equal to this one. Why I'm saying this? Because sometimes using derivative, then you can get the solution easily, very fast. We'll see in the example. Okay. Also, sometimes you need to take second derivative. So second derivative of t, I think it is clear that it's equal to ak and will double hat e to the power of j k omega naught t. Okay, where ak double hat, it is, again, if you take derivative of this one, then you need to, will be constant with respect to t, multiplied by e, multiplied again by j k omega naught. So which means that this becomes j k omega naught square multiplied by ak. So again here, you can find ak double hat. Okay, then to find ak, which is the original one, it's just you need to divide it by this one. So similarly here, find the first or ak hat, then to find ak, just you need to divide it by jk omega naught. And نشوف المثال and how we can use this properties. Again, let me take square wave again, same example. So x of t this is t a and here minus a, and this is one full period. If this is x of t, and this is x prime of t. X prime here, we will get impulse with the strength equal to infinity, and the strength that's from minus a to a, then it is equal to 2a. Okay, we have another one here at t over 2, but it is from a to minus a, so then it will be minus infinity with 2a. So then we have the third one here at t, at t over 2. And here we have at t positive 2a, and so on. Infinity minus infinity minus infinity 2a 2a. Okay, which one is easier to find a or to find Fourier series decomposition? See this one. Okay, so as we said that for this, if you calculate, you need to calculate AK by using this formula. But for this one, this is the derivative. It means that I am calculating AK hat or AK tilde. Okay, AK tilde for this one, again, it is equal to 1 over t, integration from 0 to t of x of t multiplied by e. X of t multiplied by e to the power of minus j k omega naught t dt. Okay, what is x of t for one full period? One full period, that means that from here to here. But if you take, as we said that before, if you take from 0 to t, it means that you are taking this, and this. So just to start little bit before, and end here. So this is one full period, which means that you don't need to include this one. This is with the second one, with the second cycle. So it's only this two. So it is equal to 2a, so x of t here, it's equal to 2a. This one, it is delta t. And here, it is minus 2a delta t minus t over 2. See this one, this is very easy integration. Why? Because we have function, integration of function multiplied by delta of t minus t naught dt. So as we said before, this integration, just you need to evaluate f of t at t naught. So this is equal to f of t naught. Okay, هذه it's equal to T2a, you can take it outside. طيب. This is delta t, and this is e to the power of, so this is my function, f of t. It's multiplied by delta. Function multiplied by delta. Just evaluate the function at t naught. T naught here is equal to 0. Okay, which means that this one, it's equal to, just you need to evaluate it at t equal to 0, which is equal to 1 minus. This is f of t, and t naught is equal to t over 2. Just evaluate this one, e to the power of minus k, evaluated at t over 2. So when t over 2, then we have omega naught multiplied by t over 2. So 2 pi divided by 2, so it is equal to pi. So then this is equal to 2a divided by t. And here, as we said, that it is 1 minus, this is minus 1 to the power of k. So then if it is odd, so this is equal to 2, so this becomes 4a divided by t. So then a tilde, if we have impulses, then the integration will be very easy. Okay, compare with the integration of ak, and you have e to the power of jk omega naught. You need to divide it by this one and take limit, as we did in the last lecture. Okay, so this is a tilde, that's for this one, but we want to find the Fourier series for this. So it's mean that I need to find ak. So ak can be found directly from this relation. The relation. So then AK, it's equal to AK tilde divided by JK omega naught. So divided by JK omega naught of A tilde, and A tilde is equal to, from here it is 4A divided by T, or A divided by T, which is equal to JK, here 4A, and omega naught multiplied by t, it is 2 pi. So here pi and 2 cancel with this 4. So it becomes 4 ajk, and k belongs to odd. So which means that now we can write x of t directly. So x of t equal to summation k from minus infinity to plus infinity of ak, which is 2a divided by j pi, here 1 over k, multiplied by e to the power of j k omega naught t, k, for k belongs to odd. Okay. لاحظ بعد الآتي. If you have, for example, triangular wave, then finding A, for example, so AK it is equal to 1 over t integration of x of t, and one here, you will get t multiplied by e to the power of jk omega naught t dt plus. So this is t multiplied, then you need to solve it by integration by parts. Okay, instead of this, it's much easier. So we want to find AK for this instead of this one. Just take a derivative of this. So derivative, it will be equal to something like this. This is the first derivative. Second derivative, it will be impulses. Okay, then as we said that it is very easy to find AK for this one. So, but this is not AK, it is A double. Okay, but the question here, we want to find AK for the original one. So then AK, it is equal to AK double tilde divided by JK omega naught square, because it is second derivative. واضح؟
واضح.
Any question?